So another one of my favorite moves is the neck stretch, and this is such a good stretch in all areas of the neck and leading down the back. So to get yourself in the right position, you can have a block to sit, which is ideal. It just gives your legs a bit more leverage. And you're going to take your knees out to the side into a long frog position. So if you're not so flexible, you can spread the legs out a little bit more, or if you really want to, you can just sit with your legs like that. You can sit cross-legged, but it just puts a bit of strain inside the hips. So to do a neck stretch, you're going to put this one behind your back. Now make sure that you are staying lengthened the whole time. The minute you start slouching, you're going to lose some of the effect of the stretch. So from here, you're going to put your ear to this side, that ear to that side. Now you'll notice that you can't go all the way, so if you are touching your shoulder, you know that your shoulder's coming up. So you're going to get the stretch down the neck there. Some people might even get a stretch down the arm. And just hold it for a few seconds there. But notice Paul's lengthening and lengthening, so the whole time the spine is being stretched up. Take your chin down to the collarbone there. And then you're going to notice you'll get a stretch, possibly down here. Like I said, everyone's different. I tend to feel it down in between the shoulder blades. And then take your chin down to the middle of the chest, and then you'll get a stretch down the back. And it's quite nice. I quite enjoy these. Take it back to there. So again, you get it down there, and then ear back to shoulder. And then back up to the top. So I normally say have a play, and if you find one spot's particularly tight, then just hold it on that side. And then we're going to swap sides. So it's very important to do this lengthening to keep stretching. So ear to shoulder. Is that all you can go on that side? Mm-hmm. So Paul seems to be a bit tighter on this side than he is on the other side. So keep lengthening good. Feel it down there. And down to the centre. And then back. It's a lovely stretch. I mean, you might find that if you are tight on the side, it can be quite painful. But again, just be aware of that shoulder crawling up there. So that is neck stretch for you.